In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a loop faster in Soundtrap. We'll start by heading to the Soundtrap website. If you're not already signed in, look for the Login button on the homepage. Click that to open your sign-in options. Choose Login with Google to keep things quick and secure, then select your Google account from the list. If you don't see it, make sure you're signed into your browser and that pop-ups aren't being blocked. You can also use any other sign-in method offered if that's your preference. Once you're in, find your project on the home screen. When you see it, click Studio to open the project in the Soundtrap editor. Give it a moment to load the tracks and assets. This ensures the tempo changes apply cleanly. Inside the studio, click the specific track or loop you want to speed up so it's clearly selected. This helps you focus while listening back, even though the tempo control affects the overall project. Whether your loop comes from the Soundtrap library or is an imported audio file, the process is the same and Soundtrap will handle time stretching under the hood. Now locate the tempo control at the top of the studio interface. This is where the project's BPM, beats per minute, is shown. Click Tempo to open the Tempo panel. To make your loop faster, increase the BPM. You can click the arrows to nudge it up or type in a number directly if you already know your target. Try moving in small increments, say 2 to 5 BPM at a time, so you can keep the groove feeling natural and avoid unwanted audio artifacts. When you're happy with the new number, click Apply. This confirms the tempo change for the project. If Soundtrap prompts you about aligning or stretching regions, click Adjust. That ensures your loop and other regions follow the new tempo and stay in sync with the grid. This is especially important for loops with clear transients, drums, or rhythmic instruments, where tight timing matters. Press play and listen. If the loop sounds good but slightly rushed, ease the BPM back a couple of points and apply again. Use the metronome if you need a steady reference while you fine-tune. And remember, you can always undo a change if you go too far. That's all you need to make a loop faster in Soundtrap. Sign in, open your project, select your loop, open the tempo control, raise the BPM, click Apply, and confirm with Adjust. With a few careful tweaks, you'll lock in the energy you're after while keeping everything